Hello children, myself Shilpa. Today I am here to introduce a new lesson, that is multiplication. Okay, so what is multiplication? Yes children, multiplication is adding the same number again and again. See, the numbers which we'll add again and again, it is called the multiplication. So multiplication is repeated addition. We can say that multiplication is a repeated addition. That means we are going to add the number, the same number repeatedly. Okay? See, the sign of multiplication is cross. We can see the sign here which look like cross. Okay? Or we can say as X. This is the sign of multiplication. Then the result, what the result will get in this multiplication, that is called as product. Understood children? Multiplication means adding the same number again and again. We can say as multiplication is repeated addition also. Okay, next, the sign of multiplication is cross or X. Looks like this. Next, the result obtained is called product. Okay, we should know about these things when you are going to do the multiplication. Now let us see one example now how to do the multiplication. See children, if I am adding, for example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I want to add these numbers. Okay, I am going to add the same number 4 times. Repeatedly, I am going to add the number. See, 3 plus 3, how much? 3 plus 3, 6. Here 3 plus 3, how much? 6. Right, children? So, 6 plus 6 is 12. Got it? So when we are going to add these numbers like this repeatedly, it will take a lot of time to add. So in the short time, if I need the answer, in the short time if I want to add, so we can use this method. That is, what is the number you are seeing here? 3. How many times can you see the number? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 3 you have to add for 4 times. 3 you have to add for 4 times. So that means we are going to say as, this is the sign of multiplication which looks like X or cross. So 3, 4 times, the answer is 12. Means 3 4s are 12. So 3, how many times we are going to add? 4 times. See, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So 3, 4 times if we add, we'll get the answer 12. This 12 is called product. Okay children, so only we are using this multiplication to make the sum easier. Okay, one more example I'll give. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. See children, if you want to add this, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So it is a long time. It will take a long time to add this. So what we have to do here? We can do that 2. How many times are there 2 here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times? 6. Okay, 2 6 times. 2 6 times is equal to, what is 2 6 are? What is 2 6 are? 12. So answer, the product we obtained is 12. Okay. So one more example I'll give you. 7 plus 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 we can't add. So what we want to do here? 7. How many times you can see the 7 here? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So 7, 3 times. 7 threes are how much? 7 threes are 21. So this is the short method, multiplication method. By this multiplication method, we can easily add the numbers. Got it, children? Yes. I hope you understood that. Let us see some more examples. Okay? Okay, children, let us see now how to multiply using the number line. Okay? For example, you can see the number here, 5 into 2. Okay, what you can see the number here, that is 5 into 2. Okay, that means the first number 5 always tells us that how many times we have to jump. Okay, how many number of times we have to jump. Okay, the second number, that is 2, tells us how many numbers we are going to jump. Okay, now we have to jump that 5 times to 2 numbers. Okay, 2 steps we are going to jump 5 times. Let us see what the answer is going to get. Okay, see children, you can see the number line here. Okay, I have margined the number 0 to 14 in the first question. Okay, see, we are going to jump 5 times now. We should start from 0. How many numbers? 2 numbers. Means 0 to 2. 1, 2. 2 number 1 time. Here 1, 2. 2 time. Again 1, 2. 1, 2. 3 time. 1, 2. 4th time. 1, 2. 5th time. Okay, we are starting from 0. 0 to 2. That is 2 steps. Again 3, 4. 2 times. Again 2 times. Again 2 times. Like that, we are going to jump the numbers. That is 5 times. Okay, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Understood, children? Now, what the answer is, if 5 times, if we jump to 2 numbers, where we are going to stop here? It is the answer. So, this will be your answer. So, the answer is 10. Got it? So, 5 twos are 10. Good. This is your product. Understood, children? Okay, let us see for one more sum. Okay, here 3 5 times. 3 5 means 3 times you have to jump. How many numbers you are going to jump? 5 numbers. Okay, so let us see 0 to 1 2 3 4 5 here. 0 to 5. Again 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shit. Okay. 5 to again 5 numbers. How many times they told? 3 times. 1 time, 2 times finish. One more time. Again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done, children? See, 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times we have jumped that 5 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? So now the answer we got is, the product we got is 15. So we are going to write 15 here. So that means 3 5s are 15. 3 times 5 is equal to 50. Got it? Okay. Let us see one more sum. Always when you are jumping the numbers, you should start with 0 only. Okay. From 0 only, you are going to skip the numbers. Got it, children? Okay. Let us do one more sum now. 2 cross 7. That means 2 times you are going to jump. How many numbers you are going to jump? 7 numbers. How many numbers? 7 numbers. Let us see how now. We are going to start with 0. 0, how many numbers you have to skip? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here one time we are going to jump 0 to 7. From 0 to we have jumped till 7 now. One time. So they are saying that 2 times. So let us start from 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. We have done. We have jumped this 2 times 7 numbers. So at last, what is the answer we got here? 14. 14, right? So 2 sevens are 14. Understood, children? Yes. Let us go for the next. One more sum we'll do here. So the question is 6, 3. What they're saying? 6 times you're going to jump. That is 3 numbers. Let us see how to do now. From where we have to start here? From which number we are going to start? From 6? From 6 we are going to jump? No. We are going to jump from 0. So 0 to 6. Sorry, 0 to 3 numbers they told. Not 6. 6 times we are going to jump. 3 numbers we are going to skip. Okay. So 0 to 1, 2, 3. One time. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3. 2 times. 3 to 6 we have jumped. Again from 6 to we should leave 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many times over? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times over. Next. 1, 2, 3. Fourth time. 1, 2, 3. Fifth time. 1, 2, 3. Sixth time. So here we are going to jump 6 times 3 numbers. That is, at last we got the answer. That is the product 18. 18 is your answer. Understood? Okay, let us move to the next one. We'll see how to do this. Okay, children, here how many jumps you are going to see in the next question? That is 4. How many numbers you are going to skip? Yes, 3 numbers. How many times? 4 jumps, 3 times. 4 times, 3 jumps. Okay, how many times? 4 times. How many jumps? 3 jumps. Let us see how to do this. So, let us start from 0. How many numbers we are going to jump? That is 3. So, 1, 2, 3. 0 to 3. One time. Again, 1, 2, 3. 3 to 6. 2 times. Again, 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Fourth time. So, 4 jumps, leaving, skipping 3. number, the answer is 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, children? Understood? Yes, I hope you understood this. Next, we'll go for the next main now. Yes, children, let's go for the next main, that is multiply the following by repeated addition. You have to multiply these following questions to the repeated addition. Okay, see the first question, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. You can see the question, the same number 3 is repeating how many times? 1 time, 2 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Which number is repeating here? 3. So here the 3 number is repeating 7 times. So what is the answer if you add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3? How much will get the answer? So it will take time to add this number. So what we are doing here? We are doing in multiplication method. We are going to add these numbers, the same number in the multiplication method. That is 3 sevens are. 3 sevens are how much? 3 sevens are how much? 3 sevens are 21. Right, children? Yes, if you want, you can add this number and check the answer. If you add this numbers 3, that is 7 times, you'll get the answer. The product is 21. Okay, the answer you'll get 21. If we do in the multiplication method, that is 3. If we add 7 times, we'll get the product 21. Okay, got it? Now 3 sevens are 21. Understood, children? Okay, one more sum we'll do. So in the D sum, we can see the number 9. Which number we can see here? 9 number. So how many times we can see the 9 number? How many times? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Okay, how many times? If we add, how much we'll get? Yes, if we multiply, 9 threes are how much, children? Say 3 ones are tables or 9 ones are tables, you say? 9 threes are how much? 27, right? 9 threes are 27. See here, if we add this number, 9 plus 9, 18. Right? So this 9, 18 plus 9, how much? 27. So we are not going to do in the addition method. We are going to do it in a multiplication method. So here 9, 3 times, the product is 27. Got it? Next, one more sum, let us see. 4, you can see the number. Which number you can see the same number? Yes, 4 you can see. How many times we have to add the 4 number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times? 6 times. So what is the answer here? 4 6 are? 4 6 are? Say 4 on the tables. 4 6 are 24. So this is your product. Got it, children? Understood this? How to multiply the following? Okay. How to multiply the following in this repeated addition. Understood now, children? Yes. Next we'll go for the next main. That is, write the addition facts of the given multiplication facts. Here they are given the multiplication. In this, they are given the multiplication fact. We have to write this in the addition facts. Okay, this is the addition fact. This is the multiplication fact. Okay, in the next main, they are given in the multiplication fact. So this, we have to write in the form of addition fact. Let us see one sum how to do. So can you see the number here? That is A question. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So what number? 3. How many times it is repeated? 5 times. So we are going to write here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 3 number repeatedly we are adding 5 times. So this is additional fact. Okay, this is addition fact. Got it, children? Yes, let us move to the second one. That is 1 into 2. So 1 into 2, that is 1 2 is 2. We can see the number 1. How many times? 2 times. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2. Got it? This is multiplication fact and this one is addition fact. Okay. Next, see question. 2 6 are 12. That means what? The number 2 we should write how many times? 6 times. So here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2. So here 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So here this is addition, multiplication fact is 2 6 is 12. The addition fact is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 12. Okay, understood children how to write the multiplication fact to the addition fact? Yes, the last sum we'll do now. That is G1, 7 2s are 14. Okay, 7 2s are 14. So we are going to write the number 7, that is 2 times. Okay, that is 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 if we add, we'll get the 14 answer. Yes, no? If you multiply 7 2 times, 7 2s are 14. Understood? Any doubts in this? No. Okay, children, I hope you understood this. Remaining, we'll do in the next class. Take care. Thank you.